I got a little display box for the train wreck items. Yeah, I'm just sandblasting that 1895 file. It's been sitting in the river forever. So just getting some of the crap off of it. Really not much left of the threads. Not much left of anything, really. Just gonna paint it. You can tell it's a file at least. Still got a few other items to blast. Got a square nail and a hook, and that's a bent bolt with a nut on the end of it. Not sure if that would be from the bridge or from the car. And a big rivet that would be from the locomotive. And that's a hook. It's almost like a homemade hook, like a nail that's been bent in or something. Kind of cool. A little update on the tools and stuff that we found at the 1894 train wreck, Matawin River. Got everything semi-blasted down the best we can. They've been in there for 130 years, so it's about the best we can do. The old mallet head, and rivet, and a washer for the bridge, smaller railway spike for that time, a chisel, a file, and the pipe wrench, and a little, this was kind of cool, found the little latch for one of the car doors. It would be maybe a little sliding latch that goes into there. So that's kind of neat. So it's coming along. I got a little display box for the train wreck items. Probably gonna have to be like 30, 32. And put a couple pictures and a description, title maybe. So it's only gonna be as wide as that, I think, and then just little sides on just the display box. And then I'm gonna have to either glue these things or strap them. Like this is really heavy. Same with that. I'm gonna have to strap them with some brass band or something. I've got this oak veneer. Not even sure where I got it. If I bought it for shelving or if I had leftover from a job or something. Anyways, it's 13 wide, so it's perfect width. 32 inches will be, that'll be the box. And then I'll put sides, and I'll have to put a little trim or even a little cap on there just to hide the melamine behind it. I do have some old iron-on edging. It's not an exact match, but I think maybe it'll do since I just have it kicking around. Okay, there's the box. I actually found a little roll of oak edging, so I'm gonna try that. Hopefully there's enough to go around. I gotta check first, make sure there's enough to go around this thing. And then the ends doesn't matter. It's gonna be standing up on this end anyway, so. Okay, so there is enough to do this whole thing, which is good. That'll look better than the other stuff. Just hopefully it's not so old that the glue doesn't work. Got the iron heating up. Now I just have to figure out where the heck my edger is. The green little trimmer for the glue-on edging tape. I have no clue where it might be. Found it. Haven't used this stuff in 20 years or more. Seems to be gluing on all right. Well, considering it's been 20 years since I did anything like this, I'd say I did a pretty shitty job. Oh well, it's nothing special. It's just a friggin' box, so that's what it is. It's just going to stand up on edge and hold the stuff in it, and I'm not going to put a plexiglass or glass on here. It's just going to be a box. Now I have I don't know, maybe a third of the tube left of this ultra clear. Seems really sticky. I'm wondering if this would work to hold most of the stuff in there. I would just glue it in like that, and I don't want to spend too much money on this. I'll just glue all the pieces in, let it sit for a while, and if they don't hold when I stand it up, then I'll have to put straps on it. So it's going to be something like that. Still got to glue it all in. And then this side will be a title, a couple pictures, and maybe just a little info on what happened. All right, I got some little tags, just simplifying in case people are wondering what some of this stuff is. And I got everything strapped in, the heavy stuff anyway, strapped in. This shouldn't go anywhere, it's glued pretty good, so I just more or less worried about this stuff here. So that's the next step. And then I got another step that I got to do over here. I got it made up, I got to get it laminated and then put it in place. So it should be done pretty soon. All right, there's the finished product. Got the wreck of the CPR Pacific Express train. Got a little description down here, dates and what happened, yada yada yada. And it's got 2 pictures of the accident. So that's the finished product.